Flies and mosquitoes can be more than just a nuisance. They spread diseases and disrupt our peace. In this video, we'll explore effective natural solutions for pest control, ensuring your home stays comfortable and safe without harmful chemicals. Let's dive in. Flies and mosquitoes are drawn to food waste and standing water, creating breeding grounds in our homes. These pests pose serious health risks, spreading diseases like West Nile virus and foodborne illnesses. Effective pest control solutions are essential to safeguard our living spaces. Citronella, eucalyptus, and lavender are powerful essential oils that effectively repel flies and mosquitoes. You can use them in diffusers or mix with water for sprays. Opting for these natural alternatives not only protects your home but also avoids harmful chemicals. Basil, mint, and rosemary are excellent herbs that naturally repel flies and mosquitoes. Plant them near entryways, patios, or windows for maximum effectiveness. Creating a natural barrier with these herbs not only enhances your garden but also keeps pests at bay. Creating a vinegar trap is easy. Just fill a bowl with apple cider vinegar and cover it with plastic wrap, poking small holes. For flies, mix soap and water in a bowl. Get creative with household items to craft effective pest solutions. A clean home is crucial for preventing pest infestations. Regular cleaning practices eliminate attractants like food crumbs and spills. Proper waste disposal, such as sealing trash bins, further reduces attraction. Good sanitation plays a vital role in effective pest control and overall health. To recap, we explored natural solutions like essential oils, herbs, and DIY traps to keep flies and mosquitoes at bay. Implement these strategies in your home for a pest-free environment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more helpful content.